Hey VolkswagenR community, my name is Sara Sigmundsdóttir. I am a professional athlete from Iceland. I do CrossFit. I am going to give you a very fun workout that is easy to do at home or wherever you are. Are you ready? So I'm gonna start with reverse lunges. I keep my core very tight. I stand tall, I don't lean forward. Okay, I breathe in, I step back. As big step as I can, my knee touches and my foot goes straight back. It doesn't go across, straight back and then up. 1, 2, and I breathe out on the way up. This is a reverse lunge. Burpees is a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to do burpees. One is like the easier way and one is the harder way. So the easier way is for people that are pretty stiff actually. So we start with hip width apart. I go down, I jump down, I put my chest on the floor and I put my hips on the floor at the same time. I jump up and then I jump and I clap at the same time. The easier version of this, or the stiff version of this, is I go down, I step back, and then I step up, and then I clap. So we have rules in burpees. That is, our chest and our hip always have to touch the ground. So this here, this is a frog jump. Burpees is this, we go down and we go up. And then of course, we always have to jump and clap to finish the rep. So this is a burpee. The twist of the workout, the most, or the funnest part of the workout, especially when you get tired. We lay it down on the floor, okay? My back is on the floor, my butt is on the floor, and my shoulder blades are on the floor. I make tension in my core, my heels touch the floor, and my hands touch the floor above my head. Okay, first rep, I go up, and I touch my toes, 1. Heels touch again, hands touch the floor again, and my lower back is always on the floor. If I can't keep my lower back on the floor, I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to touch my heels. 3 reps. Boom. So, if I finish 20 lunges and 6 burpees and it's minute 1, I go and I do 3 sit-ups and then I continue where I ended until I'm finished with 20 down to 2 and 10 down to 1. So, have fun and sweat a little bit. Thank you for watching my workout routine. I hope you had fun and I hope you sweat a little bit. Stay healthy and safe.